Welcome to my channel. Today I am presenting you a new video. I hope you like it.
How much do you know about ChatGPT? Are you interested in using it? Let's learn what ChatGPT is and how to use it.
ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks, such as composing emails, essays, and code. Let's learn how to use it. Open your Google browser or any other browser that you use. Type in ChatGPT and enter to search. Click on Open AI. If you don't have an account on ChatGPT, you need to make an account by signing up. You can sign in with your Google account, Microsoft account, or Apple account. To create an account, enter your email address and press Continue. Like other web pages, you will receive a confirmation email to confirm your email address. After confirmation, your account is created. I have already created an account, so I will log in into my account. Once signed in, you will see this page. Not all aspects of ChatGPT are free. But the aspect that we want to use is completely free. The ChatGPT. Click on ChatGPT. In this page, you can see the example of questions that you can ask ChatGPT. One of the questions reads, "Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old birthday?" You can see what capabilities does ChatGPT have. Some of the capabilities are as below. It remembers what user said earlier in the conversation. It allows user to provide follow-up corrections. It is trained to decline inappropriate requests. ChatGPT has also some limitations. Some of the limitations are: it may occasionally generate incorrect information. It may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. It has limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Therefore, it is wise to check the outputs and make sure their accuracy. Let's ask ChatGPT a few questions. I asked, "What can ChatGPT do?" We type our questions here. ChatGPT provides a long and detailed answer to the question. It provides a list of the abilities that ChatGPT has. If you want more details, just type the word other or continue or and ChatGPT will provide more responses to the first question. To ask another question in a different topic, click on New Chat. A new page like this one will be opened. Write your question here. We asked, "What is the normal BMI range for a male adult?" ChatGPT provides a detailed and organized answer to the question. Now we want to know the same information but instead of male adults about female adults. Because ChatGPT knows our question, we don't need to write a complete question again. I just asked, and for female. ChatGPT provides detailed information about female adult BMI. We can ask ChatGPT to provide the same information in a different language. I asked to provide this information in Persian language. Again, ChatGPT knows which information I am talking about. I only said in Persian, "Give me this information in Persian." ChatGPT answers in Persian language. The history of questions that you asked ChatGPT remains available. You can see them here. You can use ChatGPT in different purposes such as writing emails, articles, essays, translating documents in different languages, solving mathematics problems, writing codes, and many other purposes. I hope this video was helpful for you.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more beautiful videos. Please write your comments under this video.